Welcome back to the Council of Erdan. In this video, we will show you how to use templates in page editing. This is also outlined in the guidebook on the Council of Erdan community tab. To start off, you need a page that has not been created yet, and we will showcase it on Earth, which is a mysterious planet parallel of Earth from the Greyhawk setting. To start off, you should be in Source Editor, not Visual Editor. Next, you should also go to the Infoboxs templates category on the Council of Erdan Wiki. This can be found most easily accessible through this link right here on the guidebook. Once you are in this page, this is all in HTML, you can select your template. Since we're doing a location, this is the template description, when to use it, how, where. This is the usage. This is the HTML code. We are gonna copy this. Now this code needs to be pasted into this box. It becomes purple, showing that it is a template. Now I will remove information here for easier. Perfect. Now anything outside of this template is normal text. In this case, we will insert normal text. This text can also, that's the basic description. We will also, while we're here, make these links. And this link's already created, so there we go. Now, in this template, you also have these guides to follow. In longer pages, you will have more guides, but we will just use this for this example. Usually, pages do not need all of these, and you need to remove the headings or subheadings you do not need. So we have a description, history, legends, rumors, notes. These gets into other templates. Now, here, most pages on our wiki are also found on other wikis. I will insert these templates, which appear as external links to other pages. So here we can find Earth for the Forgotten Realms wiki, Greyhawk wiki, Spelljammer wiki even. For example, actually the Forgotten Realms wiki. So here we have does not exist. It does not exist either. So maybe we're the first wiki to create this page. Next, in this, actually, we can see it render here. This has, since there's no information inside the template itself, this is blank. You will need to fill in this information, and it will, in the template, show up as the titles, geography, etc. Now, once you have inserted all this information, make sure to save your changes. You can also describe what changes you're making, but make sure to save it. And this is your newly created page. Now, when people come to this page, they'll be happy to see it. More information is better. This is just a showcase. And this page is also found in our archives locations because it's in here. This page has appeared now here. This is because it has a category page, which we will talk about in the next video. Thank you for watching. None shall defy the Crest of Erdan.